How to make money online the lazy ways. In today's digital era, the idea of earning money without grinding away at a 9-to-5 job is more than just a dream. It's a strategic reality. While hard work often pays off, what if you could design a system that lets your money, time, or skills do the heavy lifting for you? That's where lazy money-making methods come into play. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Affiliate marketing. Let links work while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effortless and rewarding ways to earn money online. You don't need to create your own product or manage customers. Instead, you earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your unique referral link. This lazy income stream excels in automation. You can place affiliate links in blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media bios and let them generate money forever. With the right content and a little initial effort in setting up, affiliate marketing can become your passive income powerhouse. Many influencers and bloggers rake in thousands monthly through this method, without ever stocking inventory or handling customer complaints. You just need to find affiliate programs that match your audience's interests, create content around those products, and promote it strategically. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer thousands of opportunities. Selling digital products. Create once, profit forever. Creating and selling digital products is a lazy online income strategy that can generate ongoing profits with zero physical involvement. Once you've created an ebook, course, template, or toolkit, you can upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, for planners, or Teachable and let it sell on autopilot. There's no inventory, shipping, or customer service, just pure profit. You do the hard work once and get paid repeatedly. This method is ideal for creatives or educators who can package their knowledge or talents into valuable digital downloads. From budget planners to resume templates and fitness guides, digital products can appeal to a wide range of niches. Bundle them smartly, price them attractively, and automate delivery to enjoy lazy, long-term returns. Cashback and reward apps. Make money while shopping. If you're someone who shops online frequently, cashback and reward apps are a lazy person's dream come true. Apps like Rakuten, Swagbucks, Honey, and Ibotta pay you back a percentage of your spending just for using their portals or applying available coupons. No skill, no content creation, no hustle, just regular shopping with some digital magic thrown in. This won't make you a millionaire, but it's free money for things you're already doing. Some platforms even offer bonuses or gift cards just for signing up or referring friends. The earnings can accumulate quickly if you're a frequent shopper or traveler. Plus, the apps run in the background, requiring little to no daily interaction from you. YouTube automation channels. Views turn into dollars. YouTube is a goldmine for lazy online earners, especially if you create a faceless, automated channel. With the right niche, think relaxation music, facts, trivia, or even AI-generated content, you can upload monetized videos without ever appearing on camera. Once monetized through AdSense or affiliate links, your videos can earn 24/7. Hire freelancers for voiceovers, editing, and scripts via platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to fully automate the process. This is truly a lazy way to earn because after setup, your channel becomes a digital vending machine of passive income. Some channels earn thousands of dollars monthly by consistently publishing content that ranks well on YouTube search. Target evergreen topics, optimize thumbnails and titles, and let the algorithm go to work for you. Stock photography. Click and collect royalties. If you enjoy taking pictures, whether with a phone or DSLR, you can turn that hobby into an income stream by uploading each time someone downloads your image, you earn a royalty fee. Shots to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. You don't need to take photos every day. A one-time batch of high-quality images can keep earning for years. Nature scenes, office setups, or holiday themes often perform well and are in constant demand across websites, marketing materials, and ads. Make sure your images are high resolution and properly tagged. Once your portfolio grows, so do your earnings, with little ongoing effort needed. Print on demand. Pod. no inventory, no hassle. Print on demand lets you design items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them through platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. You never touch the product or handle shipping, everything is automated. You just upload your designs and market your store. Whether it's meme slogans or minimalist art, once you have trending designs up, the income can trickle in while you nap. Pod combines creativity with laziness and works brilliantly with viral marketing. Selling stock music or sound effects, audio assets that earn musicians and audio creators can earn passively by uploading their beats, loops, jingles, or sound effects to platforms like Audio Jungle or Pond 5. Once your track is online, it can be downloaded and licensed repeatedly. This is an ideal lazy income strategy for anyone with basic music production skills. Even simple sounds, like doors creaking or birds chirping, are in demand for video production and games. Domain flipping, the lazy real estate of the internet. Domain flipping is a low-effort investment method where you buy web domains at low prices and sell them later at a profit. Platforms like GoDaddy Auctions and Namecheap make it easy to browse, buy, and list domains. The key is spotting trends, business names, or SEO-rich terms before they become valuable. It's the digital version of flipping houses, without the hard work. Some domains have sold for thousands or even millions of dollars, and maintaining them costs only $10 to $15 per year. Content and tools reselling, the future of lazy income. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E booming, you can package AI-generated content, like ebooks, artwork, or marketing copy, and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Fiverr. You're not even creating original content, you're directing AI to do it for you. Set up a system that generates and delivers these products automatically, and you've created a business that runs itself. This new wave of automation is redefining lazy income online. Renting out digital real estate, monetize existing web traffic. If you own a website or blog, even with moderate traffic, you can rent space for ads, backlinks, or sponsored posts. Businesses are always looking for ways to boost their SEO, and your blog could be their target. Use platforms like Ezoic, AdThrive, or Direct Outreach to monetize this digital property. Once ads are live, they generate income around the clock with zero extra effort. It's like owning land in the internet world, quiet, low maintenance, and profitable. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.